you know the #1 dish served in Chinese restaurants is General Tso's chicken? Did you know it's really easy to make at home? Let me show you how. I've got chicken tenders that I've cut into 1-inch cubes, and I've got some rice flour here. You can use regular flour if you'd like, but I thought I'd go Chinese all the way. And I'm just going to dredge the chicken cubes in the rice flour and set them aside. Now I've got another bowl with 3 eggs that I've whisked, and I'm going to add half a cup of cornstarch, and I'll whisk it until it's smooth. Okay, just one more component, that's the cooking sauce. So I'll start with some soy sauce, some rice wine vinegar, and some minced ginger, a little bit more cornstarch, and some sugar. Now heat a wok or a large fry pan with some oil in it, and when it reaches frying temperature, we're going to fry the chicken. Now what I did is I put that rice-coated chicken in the batter, and now I'll add it to the peanut oil that's been heating up, and then we'll stir fry it. Now I drained my chicken on paper towels, took the oil out, and now I'll add the chicken back with some Szechuan peppers, and then add that cooking sauce, and then we'll just toss the coat. I've served the chicken over jasmine rice, and there you have General Tso's chicken right in your own home kitchen. You can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. 谢谢 for watching Kitchen Guy. See you next time.